In a world of uncertainty, the best defense is preparedness. Today, on the Nano Healer, we are exploring a specialized medical protocol, the Homeopathic Radioactivity Emergency Kit. I am Dr. Amir. When conventional systems are overwhelmed, these 30 remedies provide a critical line of defense against radiation sickness, burns, and systemic shock. Here is the complete list, categorized by their clinical application. First, the core responders. Radium, bromatum, and X-ray act as energetic stabilizers. Cadmium sulfuricum is vital. It is the primary remedy for the extreme nausea and exhaustion of radiation sickness. For the skin, radiation causes deep, stinging damage. Cantharis is essential for intense blistering, while causticum helps prevent the deep scarring common in radiation-induced burns. As exposure progresses, the body may enter a septic state. Pyrogenium and arsenicum album are your primary defenses against blood poisoning and the profound weakness that follows cellular breakdown. Physical trauma often accompanies environmental disasters. We include arnica for shock and cyanothus specifically to protect the spleen, the organ most sensitive to radiation damage. Finally, we treat the spirit and the vital force. Aconite manages the immediate terror, while carboveg, known as the corpse reviver, is used when the patient faces total vital collapse. Knowledge is the first step to survival. Store these remedies in a cool, dark place. This has been Dr. Amir for the Nano Healer. If this protocol helped you, please subscribe and share this with those you care about. Stay safe and stay prepared.